Welcome back. Prepare to be inspired by the breathtaking world of Swati Goorha. Imagine stepping into spaces that don't just look beautiful, but feel lovely, a true reflection of your unique story. Swati masterfully blends elegance with warmth, creating environments that are both sophisticated and personal. Each design is a testament to thoughtful curation, where every element, from the softest textiles to the most striking architectural feature, plays a vital role in crafting a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. It's about more than just aesthetics. It's about designing a life you love, surrounded by beauty that nourishes your soul. Discover how Swati Goorha transforms houses into cherished homes, filled with light, comfort, and undeniable style. We're so glad you could join us with this glimpse into her extraordinary talent. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more interior inspirations.